What types of things have you seen that training jujitsu has helped you with in your personal life or in your professional life?
I would say it's ego. I went in and I was doing pretty well. A brand new dude comes in, he's like tapping me out, like, what the heck? Like, my ego is a little hurt. If he's tapping me out all the time, it means there is something wrong with my defense. I'm going back as an entrepreneur. This transitions to everything in life, right? I mean, what am I having an ego about? What am I dogmatic about that I'm not changing? That's actually hurting me.
That's awesome, man. And I think that always translates well into business of, you know, being open to if this isn't working, what am I missing? How can I adapt to be better? I walk into every gym just like I walk in every mastermind of, you know, what, I'm not the best guy in the room and I'm not the worst guy in the room. And I'm totally okay with that. I don't have to be the toughest, strongest guy in the room. I know I'm not. Like Matt Serious, it's very clear. And I'm not the worst guy. There's a guy in the parking lot that's signing the waiver right now who's never come in. Some days you're the hammer and some days you're the nail. And I feel like that's business, you know, that's life. Is there's days that are great and there's days that suck. And the days that are great, you feel like you can take on the world. And the days that are not, you can't let that say, well, I'm just going to stay in bed and do nothing. I still gotta send out my drip sequence. I still gotta call my sellers. I still gotta take my kids to school. And I feel like that's what jujitsu like teaches people is on the days that you don't feel like showing up, you learn to just do it anyway and live to fight another day.